Okay, the name of our topic is what is rule? What is rule? So this in this lesson we are going to learn different ways that can in which we can use and organize and present our data. We can present our data. Here in we have one table, and on table we have different kinds of things, different color and different weight, different color and different size of things are there. So in this lesson, what we are going to learn that how can we organize them? How can we organize them in different ways? First of all, we are going to count the things. How many are these things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 things, but some of the things are big. That means their weight will be big. They have more weight. The big things have usually more weight and they occupy more space, means they need more space, and the weight is also more. So we have described them, or we have arranged them like this. First of all, we put lamp, bowl, cup, pencil, and notebook. This we put in one side. 5. How many are these? 5. How many are these things? Right here, 5. Now here, on the other hand, we have a ball, elephant, teddy bear, and a car. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here are more things. Here are more things. Here are 5 things, and here are 4 things. But you can see that pencil is a small thing and its weight is not more. And here we have a cup. Also, the cup weights are less. While here, the car, teddy bear, and a toy elephant and the ball weights equal. Okay. Next, what are the rules? Okay, you can arrange them using the size and weight, or if you want, you can arrange them in different method like teddy bear twice on one side, on the one side of the table, and the other things on the other side, like cup. First of all, I am going to put the cup. Here is the cup, for example. Okay, then we have a notebook. This is a, wait, this is a red notebook. This is, for example, a pencil, and we are going to put a lamp. So this circle will be a yellow lamp. Okay, these are the things that are used for studying. They are used for studying. Then we have toy elephant, we can put it here. Toy elephant, we are going to put it here. Then what we have, a toy car, also we are going to put it here. A teddy bear, also here. A bowl, we are going to put it here. So these are different ways of sorting things. These are different ways of sorting things. Now what, how many we have? Here we have 5, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we have 4 things. So the things that are used for studying, we put them here. And the things that are used for playing, we are going to put it in the different plate, or you can say a container. Okay, moving on to the next topic. Ice cream pictogram. Ice cream pictogram. Here we can also, we have a graph. This is called graph, and we are going to arrange the things. We are going to arrange them, or we are going to answer the questions using this graph. Okay, chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chocolate ice creams 5. How many people like these flavor of ice cream? So here are 4 flavors of ice cream, and we have the number of people that like this flavors. 5 people like chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like vanilla. 1 and 2. 2 people like strawberry, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people like mint flavor. Okay. So how many people like chocolate ice cream? How many people like chocolate ice cream, boys? 5. That's right. You can write the message in the chat section. Okay. How many people like vanilla ice cream? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like vanilla ice cream. How many people like strawberry ice cream? 1 and 2. How many people like mint ice cream? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people like mint ice cream. Understood? Draw the ice cream you like best. So here you are going to draw the flavor of the ice cream that you like the best. Okay. So I like, for example, chocolate. This is my chocolate flavor ice cream in the box. Okay. You can also draw or write the flavor that you like of ice cream. Here the word question is, draw the ice cream you like best. Okay, now we have another graph that is called pictogram graph, and that is telling us about the weather. So how many days it will be sunny weather. Sunny means when sun will come out. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days we are going to have sunny weather. We are going to have sunny weather. How many days we have rainy? Means rain will come. 1, 2, 3. And 3 days we are going to have a rainy weather. Then we have partly cloudy. Partly cloudy means there will be clouds and there will be sun as well. So we have 2 days in which we have weather called partly cloudy. And then we have cloudy weather. No sun, only cloudy. 1, 2, and 3. 3 days we are going to have a cloudy weather. Actually, this is our data. The graph is given to us and some questions are asked. Seeing the graph, the pictogram graph, we are going to answer. Okay, now we have fruits: apple, banana, grapes, orange. So you people are going to answer me, how many people like apples? How many people like apples? Hurry up, raise your hands and tell me how many people like apples. Yes, Noni is going to, Abdurrahman Wala is going to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people like apples. Okay, next,
Four,
Khalid.
four, four
How many
people like
people?
banana.
Yes, 4 people like banana. Okay, Khalid is going to tell us how many people like grapes.
Three.
3 people like grapes. Okay, orange. One,
Five
two, three,
people.
four,
Five.
five. 5 people like oranges. Okay. The data is given. What we have to do, we have to just see from the graph and answer the questions. We have to just answer, see from the graph, pictogram graph, and we have to answer the questions. Okay, have you finished, boys? So different people have different choices according to their intakes of calories. Okay, so when we eat breakfast, when we take heavy breakfast, some of the people, they do not take lunch and directly they take dinner. They take dinner. What is breakfast? The first thing that we eat in the morning is called breakfast. Fatur in Arabic, you can say. Then we have lunch. What is the meaning of lunch? The food that we take in the middle of the day. Ghada. Lunch means ghada. And then we
Ada.
have dinner. What is the meaning of dinner? That the food that we take in the night. Asha. Okay, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So here the data is given to us. Our favorite meal time. Favorite means what time of the meal that you like the most. What time of the meal that you like most, it is called favorite meal time. And here the graph that is given to us, it is in block graph. Look, these are called blocks. First it was pictogram, but here we have block graph. This kind of graph is called block because we are using blocks in it. Okay, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner. How many people like breakfast? One, two, three, four. Four people like to have their favorite meal time is breakfast. Whether they are taking oats, they are taking toasts, brown breads with the black coffee, or they are going to take milk with cornflakes. There are different ways of taking breakfast. It depends on us what we like most and what time we like. So, breakfast. How many people like breakfast? One, two, three, four. Four people like breakfast.
Four.
Look, here they are using egg and hot dogs, maybe. So, four people like their favorite meal time is means they like to eat breakfast. Okay. Question number two. How many people like lunch? What is lunch? The food that we take in the middle of the day after Zohar. When we take the food, that is called lunch. Even in the school, when we have break time, we take our lunch. That is called lunch. So in lunch here we have burger. So how many people like to have burger in the lunch? One, two, three. Count the blocks, boys. Four, five, six.
Six. Six.
So six people like to have breakfast. Before, I used to just take a black coffee in the morning, and then I used to take a heavy lunch like burgers or something. But then my doctor told me that it is not healthy. So you should take breakfast. Even you have to take a glass of a milk. That will be enough. But you must eat something in the breakfast. Okay. How many people like dinner? In dinner, we have potatoes and noodles. So how many people like dinner? Count the blocks,
Two
boys.
people.
Two people. Only two people like dinner. Others just skip the heavy meal or they just take salads or steaks. That's it. So that is not counted as a dinner. Dinner means a heavy meal, full meal. Okay, full food. That is called dinner. If you are just taking smoothies or just you are taking salads with steaks, that I will not count in dinner. So your data. You can arrange data according to its weight or size, or you can arrange your data according to what's your need. Means we had twice and we have some things related to studies. So we put studies things uh, in one file, or you can say in one container, and the twice in another container. Then we have discussed ice cream pictogram. These graphs are called pictogram graphs because they are presenting us the data. So we can check our data, analyze the data, and then we can answer the questions easily. Then we have studied in the last favorite meal time using a block graph. Why it is called a block graph? Because we use blocks in this graph. So here, four people like breakfast, five people like, six people like lunch, and two people like dinner. Means these are their favorite time of taking meals. Understood?